Hello and welcome to this series. In this series, we're going to build a home lab where we can use to practice IT skills such as help desk, Active Directory, and Windows admin. What do we need to get started? First, you need a host machine. You can use either your desktop or laptop, and make sure your desktop or laptop has enough disk space and enough RAM to run at least two virtual machines at the same time when you're running a host operating system. So we also need a virtualization software. You can use VMware or VirtualBox. For my case, I'm going to use VirtualBox, and I will also need a client virtual machine, and I will go with a Windows 11, and a server, I'll go with Windows Server 2025. In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install VirtualBox. So let's get started. You make sure if you already have a VirtualBox installed, make sure you update it to get the latest features. So to update VirtualBox, go to File, go to Check for Updates. You see on the right side, it says nothing to update on mine. So if you have something to update, make sure you click it to get the latest features. If you don't have a VirtualBox installed, open your browser and go to VirtualBox Download and click it. Also, make sure you're on the official website. Choose your machine here. For me, I have Windows. I'll go ahead and click that. You give it a moment. You can either click here once it finishes downloading, or you can go ahead to your downloads folder. Click that. And when prompted, say yes. Click next and click through until you install the VirtualBox. If you already have it installed like me, it says repair or remove the installation. I'm not going to do that. And I'll just go ahead and close this. Cancel it. So after you install VirtualBox, you might need to install VirtualBox Extension Pack. You don't need this right now, but it's good to get it out of the way. Later on, you might need to use it for advanced networking features, using USB, security, and stuff like that. Before you download, make sure it matches the VirtualBox version. This is 7.2.4, the same thing on the extension. Go ahead and accept and download. Once you download, click on it. It says the extension pack is already installed. This is because I already had it. So I just close it. Otherwise, go ahead and click through and install it. If you want to check for the extensions, on the left side, you can click on extensions. And there you see it. And that's it for this video.